Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I thought I would share how to make tiramisu brownies. I've made this before, like around Christmas time, and I felt like having them again, so I'm going to show you how I make it. I'm going to use box milk brownies just for the sake of this video. It's easier. Go ahead and make the brownies according to the package instructions.
He needs some milk!
Okay, before we even start the brownie mix, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. Okay, oven's preheating, and now we're gonna go ahead and mix together all of our ingredients. We have a third cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and then 1 large egg. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this together. Okay, now these are gonna bake for about 20 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and make the tiramisu topping. You can do this after the brownie is cool. Okay, I had some technical difficulties, so switched camera angle, but you're gonna need 8 ounces of mascarpone, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and about a tablespoon of instant coffee. Depending on how strong you want it, you can do 1 or 2. And then you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream. I only had light cream, but that'll work. And then about a tablespoon of vanilla. And if you have any, you can add some of this Kahlua coffee rum just to enhance the flavor. I also forgot to mention to add a pinch of salt as well. And then you're just gonna whip this for a really long time until it gets stiff and fluffy. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure that you like and subscribe.